Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make Dhaba style egg masala. To make this, in a mixer jar add 1 roughly chopped onions, 2 green chilies, mint leaves, 8 to 10 garlics, 2 inch of ginger and 4 to 5 cashews and grind this into a fine paste. In a pan, add oil, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt and saute it for 1 minute and then add the eggs, for which I have given cuts all over, and fry the eggs until the eggs are nicely fried from all the sides. Once the eggs are nicely fried, keep it aside. In the same pan, add the grinded masala and saute the masala really well until the masalas are nicely cooked and it gets dried. Once the masalas are nicely done, add 1 chopped tomatoes and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Now add all the dry masalas. Saute the masalas by adding a little water so that the masalas don't get burnt, and cook the masalas until the oil oozes out. Once it is done, add a cup of curd and saute it nicely until the masalas are cooked. Add water as per the consistency required and fry the masalas nicely and bring it to boil. Once the masalas are nicely boiling and oil oozes out of the masala, add the fried eggs and coat the eggs nicely with the gravy. Finally, add crushed kasuri methi and coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Dhaba style spicy egg masala is ready to serve. Enjoy it with rice and roti of your choice. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.